Indian media also alleged that Dr. Zakir Naik encourages wife beating or wife bashing. This is again an allegation and it is totally untrue. Nowhere did I ever say that Islam encourages wife beating or wife bashing. Yes, there was a question asked to me and I handle open question answer session that what does the Qur'an say regarding wife beating? And I said that the Qur'an says in Surah An-Nisaa, chapter number 4, verse number 34 and 35, that when your wife does not listen to you, then you should warn her. If yet she does not follow your instruction, then you refuse to share the bed. And yet if she doesn't listen, then the Arabic word there is Dharaba. That means beat her lightly. And I said in my answers that this is a symbolic beating. And the explanation is given in the sayings of the Prophet ﷺ in the authentic Hadith, that it is like beating with a miswak, beating with a toothbrush, which is a thin stick. In today's age, I would say beating with a handkerchief. Now imagine when you beat with a handkerchief, surely it will not hurt. It is more of a symbolic beating. And the Prophet said, you should not beat your wife on the face. You should not beat on the body which leaves a mark, indicating that this beating is only symbolic. And this symbolic beating is to give an ultimatum that, see, I have told you certain things and you're not listening. Then you stop talking to her. Then you refuse to share the bed with her. As a last resort, this is an ultimatum which is a symbolic beating. This is what the Qur'an says. Nowhere does Islam ever allow wife bashing or beating your wife where you can leave a mark or it actually hurts her. This is more of a symbolic beating to give an ultimatum, to give a last and final warning. So the media is quoting me out of context and is actually maligning me. Islam is a religion which gives rights to the woman, and no religion in the world gives as much of rights to the woman as Islam. For more details, refer to my talk, Women's Rights in Islam, Modernizing or Outdated.